This BMW arrived in extremely dirty condition, and the exterior requires a complete deep cleaning process. Heavy road grime has accumulated across the entire front section. We need to carefully extract all this trapped mud. The side panels are covered. Layered road grime and dried mud. These wheels contain heavy brake dust, mud, and road contamination. The contamination extends across the entire exterior. This includes the heavily caked rear section and wheels. Even the exterior glass and mirror surfaces are heavily contaminated. The first rinse is designed to remove loose surface contamination without touching the paint. Recessed front areas require strong, controlled rinsing. This pre-rinse is loosening the surface dirt before contact washing. This initial rinse is gradually separating the loose road grime. It safely removes it from the exterior paint. We always rinse the upper surfaces first, before moving toward the lower body. The rear section receives the same thorough pre-rinse. The lower sections contain some of the heaviest road contamination.
Now that the loose contamination has been removed, the next stage will focus on the wheels and tires.
We apply the professional cleaning solution, allowing it to break down the heavy brake dust. This makes agitation much safer. You need to let this foam sit for a few minutes. That's how you dissolve all the tough grit and dirt.
You always want to use a high-quality microfiber mitt. This way, you avoid scratching the beautiful black paint. Always scrub in straight lines, never in circles, to get that perfect finish. This paintwork is in absolutely pristine condition. We just need to give these wheels a final rinse. And then she is ready to hit the road.